Class, our today's new topic is conservation of one form of energy into another form of energy. So class, in my previous video I told you how kinetic energy convert into potential energy. Except that there are so many examples are here by which you can easily understand how energies are transformed one form to another form. And class, in our daily life we can see so many things where you can easily find the transformation of energies. So this is also called the transformation of energies. Like I am giving you the example of steam engine. If I am talking about class steam engine, so how it works? We can heat the water with the help of coal. In coal there is a energy, and that energy is heat energy. So that heat energy, because of this heat energy, water is heated and that water turn into steam. And with the help of this steam, the machine is working. The machine is working by which it produces the energy and train is moving. So with the help of this machine is working. So what is the meaning of machine, class? Machine means mechanical energy. So you can see heat energy convert into mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy, because of that mechanical energy, train is moving. In this time you can see this is a fan, and when we switch on, then at that time with the help of electricity, and we can say electrical energy, this fan is moving, and this is a machine, class, which is moving. So there is a mechanical energy. So electrical energy convert into mechanical energy. Heater, oven, geyser, toaster, they all gives you the heat. So there is the electrical energy change into heat energy. In dry cell, which we call battery, here we can see there are so many chemicals are there, and that chemical energy change into electrical energy, and because of this we can enlighten our torch. The electrical energy change into heat energy and light energy, because bulbs gives you light and also heat. If I am talking about electric bell, while you ringing the electric bell, at that time that electrical energy change into sound energy. Now class, in electric generator, it's very important, class. In generator you are using fuel, and that fuel is your diesel, and when you put the diesel in this generator, then diesel contain chemical energy, class. It's very important, diesel contain chemical energy, and that chemical energy works in this generator. Generator means machine, so machine means mechanical energy, and that because of diesel your generator is starting. It means your chemical energy convert into mechanical energy, and when the machine is working, at that time you have a light in your room, and light means, class, electrical energy. So it means, class, chemical energy convert into mechanical energy, and mechanical energy convert into electrical energy. So in dynamo we can easily understand, because of the working of machine we can find or we can get electricity. So mechanical energy convert into electrical energy. And if I am talking about microphone or mic, and class, if I am talking about mic, then your mic convert your sound energy into electrical energy, and again there is a loudspeaker, and your electrical energy again, class, convert into sound here. So it means your mic convert sound energy into electrical energy, and your loudspeaker convert electrical energy to sound energy. And if I am talking about photosynthesis, class, then in photosynthesis you all know there is a chemical reaction between CO2 and light. Then it means during photosynthesis your light energy convert into chemical energy. So class, light contain energy, light is the energy, so your light energy convert into chemical energy, and with the help of this chemical energy plants can prepare their food. So class, here you can see firecrackers, the chemical which are inside in the crackers, the energy of those chemical, or we can say chemical energy, change into sound, heat and so much light. If I am talking about class physical exercise, at that time the chemical energy of food stored in you change into kinetic or mechanical energy. It's very important class. How we run class? We can run with the help of our energy. And how we get the energy? By the taking food we can get the energy. So class, that food which is in our stomach, there is a chemical changes, or there is a chemical energy which is convert into kinetic energy, or we can say mechanical energy. Class, our new topic is conservation of energy. And what is the meaning of conservation of energy? Conservation of energy means your energy can transform from one form to another form, but the total energy remain same class. Understand? The total energy remain same. That is called conservation of energy. It means the total energy is always conserved in each transformation of energy. With the help of this example, we can easily understand the conservation of energy. Suppose class, this is your surface area and this is your car, and there is a specific height here class, you all know. So in height your potential energy is suppose 10. Understand class? I told you already, in a specific height if your potential energy is 10, then your kinetic energy is definitely there is 0. But class, when this car goes down and it comes here in the surface area, at that time your kinetic energy is maximum and your potential energy is 0. Class, you all know your potential energy is decreasing when you are going into surface area. So here your potential energy is 0 and your kinetic energy is 10. But class, what about this position? It's very important class. This is a position. What about this position? Suppose class, if I am talking about this position, when your car is in this position, at that time suppose your potential energy is 9, so your kinetic energy is 1. When you are going downwards, your potential energy is decreasing and your kinetic energy is increasing in the same order. And in this position, suppose class, your potential energy is 8 and your kinetic energy is definitely 2. So it means in this position your potential energy is 8, so your kinetic energy is 2. So class, what do you understand by this? In the top, what is the potential energy plus kinetic energy? 10. In the ground level, what is the potential energy plus kinetic energy? 10. In this position also, what is the potential energy plus kinetic energy? 10. So in these 3 points, or we can say in all the points, your potential energy plus kinetic energy remain same. So this is called the conservation of energy. One more example class. In the top, your potential energy is 5, so at that time your kinetic energy is 0. So 5 plus 0, 5. Total energy 5. When you are going downwards, at that time your potential energy is decreasing, because class, in this time there is a motion, and when there is a motion, kinetic energy will start. So kinetic energy is 1, so your potential energy is decreasing. Again 5, here also 5, 5, 5 and 5. So in all the places your potential energy plus kinetic energy remain same, it unchanged. It's called conservation of energy. And class, your next topic is production of hydroelectricity. Class, the best example of hydroelectricity is your Tehri Dam. We all know stops the water in a very high area, and we have to pour the water from very high place, and here you have a class turbine, and because of the force this turbine is moving, and when turbine is moving, your shaft, this rod is also moving class, and when it is moving, it's like this class, and in this moving rod class there are magnets, and when this north and south magnets are moving like this, and it moves very fast class. So because of the magnet, there is a magnetic field is generated, and because of that magnetic field, with the help of electric generator we can, or dynamo, we can create electricity. So class, this armature is moving very fast, and north and south magnets are moving fast. Because of the magnetic field, we can find the electrical energy is there.